Welcome to the Great Groundhog. We continue our learning series about the topic target audience, and in particular audience segmentation. In this video, we take a look at behavioral segmentation, which will help you to get to know your audience way better. So please stay tuned. The learning goal of this video is to get an overview of the topic behavioral segmentation. This knowledge can help you to understand your audience better and therefore get more views. In general, the behavior of the viewers can be analyzed by various factors. For example, viewer loyalty, viewer habits, benefit expectations, or viewer occasions. For analyzing the behavior of your viewers, we can ask important questions. How loyal are your viewers? Do they watch each video, or do they just take a look at some special videos? What are the viewing habits of your audience? For instance, when are your viewers watching most of your videos? On weekdays, or during the weekend, or do they prefer evenings? What are the benefit expectations of your audience? Are they looking for entertainment or education, sports or traveling or something else? How do your viewers react when it comes to special occasions? Can you create videos for the new year, holiday season, Christmas or Easter? Summing up, we can say that behavioral segmentation can help you to understand how your audience behaves in more detail. The behavior of your viewers can be analyzed when you take a look at viewer loyalty, viewer habits, benefit expectations, or viewer occasions. Thanks a lot for watching The Great Groundhog. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.